Hey there! Welcome back to our HRMS tutorial series. Today we're diving into configuring project settings. Whether you're setting up a new project or managing existing ones, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. First up, you'll see this question. Do you want to use default project settings? Projects here are tasks or deliverables assigned to your team. The system offers predefined settings to make setup easier, but you can also customize them if needed. Let's explore your options. If you want to create a new project from scratch, click Edit, and then select Add New Project. Now let's fill in the details. Start by entering the project name. This is where you give your project a title. Next, select the start and end dates for the project. You'll also need to choose a project manager from the drop-down list, and select the client associated with the project from another drop-down. Don't forget the description field. This is where you can provide a detailed overview of the project. You can also toggle the project status between published and unpublished. Plus, there's a toggle to indicate if the project is billable or not. Want your team to fill out timesheets for this project? Just enable the toggle for that. Below this, you can add project members by specifying their names, start dates, and end dates. Need to update all members' dates at once? Click the Update All button. Once you're done, hit Save to finalize or cancel if you change your mind. Now, let's talk about managing existing projects. Click the View Existing Projects button to see a list of all your projects. You'll find details like the project name, associated client, and current status. To add a new project, click the plus icon. It'll open the same form we just filled out. Need to delete a project? Just select the checkbox next to the project name and click the Delete button. You can even delete multiple projects at once by selecting several checkboxes. Want to filter your project list? Click the funnel icon and choose your criteria. Once finalized, hit Search to filter the page view. Or else, click Reset to return to the original page view. For bulk management, you can import projects from a .csv file by clicking the Import.csv button. This opens a pop-up titled Import Project. Make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly. You can download the template by clicking Download CSV Import Template File. Once your file is ready, click Choose Your File or Browse. Select it, and then hit Upload CSV File. Need to download project data for reporting or backup? Use the Export option to save it as a CSV file. Need to tweak a project's details? Under the Action column, click the Edit button. This opens the project details in an editable form. You can update the project name, dates, manager, client, description, and more. Once you're done, click Save or Cancel if you want to discard changes. However, if you're okay with the default settings without requiring to change any project details, simply click Yes, Use Default Settings. This will apply the predefined configurations to your HRMS. Now, don't forget to click Confirm and proceed to finalize the configurations. A quick reminder, double-check your project and client details. They're crucial for resource allocation, progress tracking, and timesheet efficiency. And always collaborate with your project managers or team leads to align settings with your organization's goals. Click Next to move on to the next step in the setup process. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.